Alright, welcome to the next class. In today's tutorial, I'll explain I'll talk about multiple function parameters. So in our last class I explained what function parameters are. So in multiple function parameters, what you need to know is that a function can have more than one parameter in a parameter list, and this is separated by a comma. So for instance, if I have a problem to sum two numbers, for instance, I have some numbers and the numbers are x and y. So here now, remember our other function only accepted one parameter, but function can contain more than two or three parameters, more than one parameters. So here we're having two parameters which are what, x and y. And if you want to calculate the sum of these this parameter, so for instance I have sentence here. The sum of, remember I'm using the format operation now, sum of the this. So I'll create a main function that we call the sum number function. That's just the essence. After creating a function, to call the function, you create another function called the main function, and you say sum numbers. So the function has been created. Then inside this sum numbers, now you can now assign them any number you feel like. You can say 3, 6. You can assign any number if you like. Then to call up the function, you type main and you run the program. What's the problem? Why is it not running? Okay, here I didn't type print sentence. So if it doesn't run, know that you didn't type a print sentence. So this is it. The sum of 3 and 6 is 9. Also, you can do it in such a way that you don't need to start putting a number inside here automatically. So you can actually create an input function that will enable you to input any number. If you want to use it in the future, maybe you want to create a mini calculator to add numbers. You have to add two numbers. So what we're going to do here is very simple. So I'm going to say a will be equal to int input, enter first number, b equal to int input, enter the second number. So here now I'm going to call the sum number function, sum numbers. Now what I'm going to pass is the two variables I've declared in the main function, which are a and b. I'm going to pass them as parameters inside the sum number function to replace the x and y. So I'm having a and b. Just take a look at what's going to happen. So if I hit the run function, So I can enter a number, let me say 20. Oops. Okay. There's a mistake in the I. So I can run it now. So I'll say 20, 50. So the sum of 20 and 50 is 70. I can run it again and put another number, and it gives me another value. So you can keep on running the program. It will give you a different number based on the digits you give to the number. So that is that for that in today's class. So I would like you to, if you just go through the classes, revise them and get to familiarize yourself with it. One thing I would advise you to do is always type the codes. Now once you keep on typing the codes, what happens is that it sticks to your memory. You tend to, and first of all, understand the syntax, how to declare a function and how to call the function. You know that to declare a function you have to type the keyword def. After the keyword def, you type the function name followed by a open bracket and close bracket and a colon, and after that you can now perform maybe state any operation you want to do inside the function. And after doing that, you can now call the function. In the main function by declaring a def main function. Then after calling the function, to now print the content in the function, you need to put the main here and then run it. So that is that for